Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of June 12th through the 18th in my Catch-All Happy Planner, and we are going to be using the Beach Please kit by MahaNoorStudio. Now, I know that the 18th is Father's Day, and we're actually going to use the next week as my Father's Day spread because the kit that I wanted to use for Father's Day is not here yet, so I really wanted to use the Beach Please kit because this is me coming back from my cruise, and I love MahaNoorStudio's kits, so I thought that that would fit the best. So this is what we're working with here. We've got 3 sets of functional stickers. Some have decorative elements in them, and some are just plain. And we got some more decorative functional boxes. We have 2 sheets of deco. Oh my gosh, 2 sheets of deco. And then we have the Beach Please quotes. I also pulled the days of the week functional scripts from her shop, and the dishes and laundry chores from my PR package, except for the days of the week. I purchased those separately, but this is what we're working with for this week. And if you want to get your own beach kit, you can use my code Megan15 and save yourself 15% off of your order so you can enjoy the summer and fun. So you guys did not get a plan with me last week because that was the week of my cruise. I do have a plan with me up on that spread if you are interested in checking it out. I will leave it in the description box. It is in my Instagram, and it was a very, very fun week. I am still in the process of editing everything. We literally just got back yesterday. So it's been an adventure. So we are going to go ahead and start the spread. Alrighty, and as per usual, I had to cover up the gross rainbow thing that's along the spine here, so I went ahead and whited that out already. And we're going to use this like tan, like sand looking washi for this, and I actually might end up using the rest of this roll because I know that I am running dangerously low on this washi. I do need to get some more because I really like this grid washi. I got this from Amazon such a long time ago, and it has been just the perfect set of washi for me to use because the colors are just perfect. I think I've had this washi for a good 2.5 years, so it lasts a good long time. Okay, so we've got the washi down, and we're going to go ahead and do the date covers as well, and I'm just going to measure here so I can see where I need to cut this. That wasn't quite good enough, but it'll work. All right, and then I'm gonna grab these days of the week and put those on here now. All right, now that I've got those done, it's time to work on our sidebar. So I'm gonna grab these. Let's see, we don't want that yet, or these. This is the sheet I want here. I actually think we are going to go for it and just use this one. So I'm going to do something different. This is going to be where I'm going to put my goals for the week. And then up here, I'm going to grab one of the Cosmo Does Laundry boxes and use that for my work schedule because I think that it'll fit a little bit better with what I need. That way I can still use all of MahaNoorStudio stickers and not have to worry about pulling a Monday through Sunday box. So we are going to put this all the way up here, and I'm going to write out chores. And I know that she doesn't have a work script, but I am pretty sure that I have just a regular script that I can use in my reusable sticker book. So this is actually from, I think it's Plannerberry Co. And I think that this will work with the colors of the kit. I just need to trim off just the smallest amount on either side here to make it fit a little bit better here. And I know that this is my work schedule, so it's not like I need to have it labeled work, you know, so that works out pretty well. All right, so I think the sidebar is done. I know that I have Monday off, so I do need a checklist. There is a lot of this color, so we are going to go with blue right here. Okay, so I know I need a checklist for Monday since I will be off, and we are going to use this as the header. Okay. And then I think we're just going to play around with the boxes. But I do need a chores list for my off days because I'll still be off on Friday, Saturday, not Thursday. I'm not off on Thursdays anymore. I'll still be off on Friday, Saturday. So this is going to be my chores list. I will probably still need one more list, but for now, I think this will be okay. And we will grab laundry and dishes. Actually, I'm going to leave one spot blank. And that way I've got those ready to go. I don't know if I'm going to use the icons or not, but if I do, you'll see. And honestly, I think I'm just going to go ahead and lay boxes down because I really don't know what else is happening. I might have a doctor's appointment, actually. Let me think. Okay, I'm glad I did check because I do have a doctor's appointment on the 14th. So we are going to make sure that that does not get wow, words, that does not get forgotten. So we're gonna put a sticker here. I'm trying to find, oh, I used the blue one already. Oh my gosh, my brain. Okay, well that's fine. We'll use a different color for the title, for like the word appointment. Okay. That way I know that that's the appointment and I won't forget. Now we're going to do boxes because if I don't, I will forget like what I want to do. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Catch-All Happy Planner using the Beach Please kit by MahaNoorStudio. I really like how this looks. I am very happy that I was able to use a ton of boxes. I really didn't use too much deco. There's still like almost 2 full sheets. I didn't even use decorative sheet number 2. Just because like I felt like some of the little items in the boxes that were already in there were already in here, so I was like, oh well, I don't want to have it here double. So that's my thought process on doing that. I really like this though. I think it turned out really cute and I am excited to get back into my spread. I am sad that my cruise is over, but I'll be going on one in literally 1 month from now, so it's not going to be too much longer. No, 2 months. It's in August. Like I said at the beginning of this video, don't forget to use my code Megan15. It will save you 15% off of your order on her Etsy shop. All of her information will be linked down in the description box below, so you can check it out and check out all of the different kits she has. At the time of me filming this, she has not yet shown us what the June releases are, besides the names of them, and they are going to be super awesome. I cannot wait to share with you guys what I got. I'm sure I will have more information later on this week, so be following my Instagram. It is at CraftyPlannerLovR, just like my YouTube. That is also linked in the description box, so if you guys are wanting to check out my Instagram to see how I use all of these spreads and to see last week's plan with me, you can definitely check that out. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with multiple different kinds of crafting content, from polymer clay to art pop journal books, of course planners. I do share other kinds of content too, like travel vlogs and craft hauls and fun things like that. So if you guys are interested in checking out any of the content that I share, they will be linked in different categories of playlists down in the description box, along with all the other information that I have shared with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!